Sigma Engineering Product Design Limited was set up to deliver high quality air to clients in enclosed spaces. This is important because as we've seen with the pandemic, it's vital that we have good air quality, good exchange of air within the spaces that we occupy. At Sigma, we're passionate about engineering. We're passionate about delivering good air quality to our clients. We do that for high-end clients and in the middle and even low-end clients. So we're able to package up our ventilation systems and services in a way that makes a difference to our clients. The whole system is set up for as smooth a transition as possible. So you will find that from the time you were to pick up the phone and call, you will get someone on the line. You would then be passed through to the design engineer who would take information from you, and then we would then sit down as a team and look at the information. We would then develop the concept for you. We would send things like 3D graphics to you that the customer is able to easily see and say, yes, that is exactly what I want, or no, can you change this or that? And then once that is done, we begin doing the detailed design, and we're able to develop that. Once that is done, we then pass it to production. Here it goes on to the water jet, bender, assembly, and then product to client.